Hey guys, how's it going? It's X666X Iron Maiden, and we are finally back with some more Daddyphatsnaps. This is Jigsaw versus Hannibal Lecter rap battle. Alright guys, so this one was an interesting one to see pop up. Jigsaw versus Hannibal Lecter. I guess they're similar. They're similar in the fact that they kill people. That's but they're completely different in the way that and reasons why they do it. So I'm curious how this one's gonna go. I'm kind of torn too because they're so great. But I'm hoping Hannibal Lecter pulls this one through. Hannibal Lecter is a favorite character, definitely a favorite character of mine. So let's see what happens. I always forget that he has this intro now, and it's I love it every time. It's a really cool intro.
Hello, Hannibal. Welcome to my sanctuary. The rules are simple. You have 20 bars to prove that you are worthy of life. It is all you will have. At the end, a group of your peers will judge who won and the loser. Well, your fate is sealed. Rap or die. Make your choice.
Interesting.
Hello, Dr. Lecter. I'd like to play a game. Choose. Live or die. I play by the same rules. Verbal arsenal when I will use to torture you. Spit and saw blades that'll split your whole brain in two. Setting traps that'll rip your whole back to spaghetti straps. I'm in love with the messy acts. Then you walk around and act sophisticated and educated, but your style has left me irritated. Kill without a cause. Who have you living?
Man, that sounds sick.
I chose a different route. Some would say it's innovative. Everything I do is to appreciate life. If they die, it's on them. Not enough fight. But what about you? Talking just a little snitch. A sucker for a bitch. I just say it how it is. 2 steps ahead, you will never be my equal. And even when I'm dead, they're still bumping out the sequels.
We're too smart, 2 steps ahead. Killers at heart, leave anyone dead. Ripping you apart,
Whoa.
for your head. Death, it is hard, I'ma paint the town red. We're too smart, 2 steps ahead.
It's a sick fucking chorus. My damn.
Leave anyone dead. Ripping you apart, coming for your head. Death, it is hard, I'ma paint the town red. A sucker for a bitch, are you talking about Clarice? Even say a name and I'm eating every piece of your body and pairing it with salted fava beans. Listen, John Kramer, to my hypotheses. I'm a killer, this is true, but I'm really different. I don't waste anything, my policy is stringent. What about you when they fall to your equipment? Die and they rot, really, that is quite malignant. One man show, I need no assistant. I need no assistance, I'm really that efficient. You're right about one thing, never my equivalent. I've psychoanalyzed you and I realized you're ignorant. Giving people life or death choices doesn't mean when they beat death they'll rejoice it. Live for the kill. All I do is rake Nash, lapping up the blood through the gaps in my face mask. We're too smart, 2 steps ahead. Killers at
Man,
heart,
I
leave
don't find Hannibal had a great a bar as just Kramer did. Fuck.
Death, it is hard, I'ma paint the town red. We're too smart, 2 steps
Fuck.
ahead. Killers at
Fuck, Hannibal lost. I gotta give it to Jigsaw. Won that one, and it was pretty hands down in my opinion.
Your technique is sound, but your mantra is
Well, there is actually more though.
stop and think why you don't have any followers. What I do is bigger than me, so people believe you're nothing but a coward. Only kill for the meat.
You must be delusional, John. You're a psycho, just like me. Don't sugarcoat it, cause I know. And you lying to me and smoking my
with the last bar, I think Jigsaw Kramer, he fucking killed that one. He killed the verses for him on there. Killed him. And unfortunately, Hannibal came short for me. I wanted him to win this one, but I don't think he did. I think it was a pretty decent defeat on this one, which is different for these rap battles. It's usually pretty close, and I have a hard time, but this time it was pretty. It felt one-sided to me anyway. I just felt Jigsaw had some better bars to spit in this one. That's all it came down to. He just kind of took Hannibal and dragged him through the fucking mud and threw him out the fucking door, basically, in this battle. Oh man, makes me a little sad. Hannibal lost. Fuck. Hopefully you guys enjoyed anyway. I always enjoyed these rap battles that Daddyphatsnaps puts together. Let me know who you guys think won too. You know, I never asked that question when I should be, because, you know, it asks it right in the video. Who do you guys think won this one? If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to see more from me. And as always, you guys have a good one. I'll catch you later.